Hello everyone. We have this question. A person can clean a small office building in 8 hours and her assistant can clean the same building in 12 hours. If on a certain day the assistant shows up 2 hours late and starts to work, how long will it take both people to clean the building? Options are given 3.6 hours, 5.6 hours, 4.5 hours, 4 hours and 3.5 hours. So let's start the solution of this question. So first of all, this is given question which I have read, and let's try to solve this question. So person A, which is man cleaner, equal to 1 divided by 8 of the job per hour, because he can clean the office building in 8 hours. So his per hour rate will be 1 divided by 8. And person B, which is assistant, so his rate is 1 divided by 12 of the job per hour. Then let total time after both start working together be x hours. So total time will be x plus 2. So x will be the time in which both are working, and x plus 2 will be the total time. And let total work done equal to 1. So our equation will become person A, main cleaner, plus person B, assistant, equal to 1. So as we know that the working rate of this main cleaner, that is person A, 1 divided by A into x plus 2 plus person B, which is assistant, equal to 1 divided by 12 x equal to 1. And now we will solve this equation. So either we will take LCM, or we will multiply 24 on both sides to simplify these values. So we have multiplied 24 on both sides. So this 24 and 8 will be cancelled out, and we will have 3 into x plus 2 over here, because 3 times 8 equal to 24. So this, and when this 24 will multiply with this 1, so it will become 24 divided by 12, and 24 divided by 12 equal to 2, and this x, so overall 2x and 24 into 1. Now we will multiply this 3 with these two values, so this will become 3x plus 6 plus 2x equal to 24, because 24 times 1 equal to 24. And now this 3x plus 2x will become 5x, and this plus 6 will be subtracted on the other side of the equation. So 5x equal to 24 minus 5, sorry, minus 6, and 5x equal to 18, because 24 minus 6 equal to 18, and x equal to 18 divided by 5, which is equal to 3.6 hours. So this is the time. X is the time for which both the workers have worked, and for total time, as the main cleaner have started 2 hours earlier. So as we know, main cleaner had started 2 hours earlier. Therefore, the total time to clean the building is 3.6. This 3.6 plus 2 hours of the main cleaner. So the total time will be 5.6 hours. So this is our answer. And please remember, I will share another method with you guys. Here we have 5 hours and 36 minutes. That is 0.6 hours equal to 36 minutes. As you know, if you multiply this with 60 to convert into minutes, so this will become 36. So this was our way of solving this question. So this was a method which we have solved the question by this method. You can also solve this question by another method, which is you can write this equation as the main worker have started work 2 hours earlier. So his 2 hours working will be 2 divided by 8, because he can complete the job into 8 hours. So for 2 hours we can write 2 divided by 8, and then 1 divided by 8 plus 1 divided by 12 into x. So this is the duration. This is the duration for which both the worker have worked, and this is for the main worker, and this is for the assistant, and the whole work is equal to 1. And now we will solve this equation. So this will become 1 divided by 4, and here we will take LCM 24. So then we will have 3 over here and 2 over here. So now we will shift this 1 divided by 4 on the other side of the equation. So this will become 5 divided by 24x, and this will become 1 minus 1 divided by 4. And as we know, 1 minus 1 divided by 4 equal to 3 divided by 4, and this 5 divided by 24x. And now we will cross multiply. So this will become 20x, because 4 times 5 equal to 20, so 20x, and 24 times 3 equal to 72, so 20x equal to 72, and then we will divide both sides by 20, so x equal to 72 divided by 20, and again we have 3.6 hours. So this is the time duration for both workers, and if we add the 2 hours with this value, uh, that is the main worker have started work earlier, 2 hours earlier. So our answer will become 5.6. So overall, this was our question, and these were given options, and the correct option or correct answer you now, that is 5.6 is the right answer, as we have solved in the solution. So this is the answer of this given question. I hope you will have understand the solution of this question. Thank you for watching. Goodbye. Take care.